How to see your Spotify Wrapped 2025. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and view your Spotify Wrapped 2025, and if you can't find it, you're in the right place. First, you need to go ahead and update your Spotify application. For that, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Spotify application. Now, once you find it, go ahead and tap on that. And if you see an update button, something like this, highlighted in blue color, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. This ensures that you have a latest version of Spotify, which is necessary for Wrapped to appear. Now, once it has been completely updated and installed in your device with its latest version, go ahead and tap on open. You should see the wrapped option in the top of the screen that is highlighted between the all and music option. Go ahead and tap on this and you'll be able to view your Spotify Wrapped in this page. If it's not here, don't worry. You can also try searching for it. So tap on the search bar over here and simply search for 2025 Wrapped, which usually contains your top songs playlist. And if it's still not showing up, you can try refreshing the app. Close Spotify completely from your device, wait for a moment, and reopen it. Or you can also try web browser. Go to spotify.com/wrapped into your browser and it will redirect you to the wrapped section in the Spotify app. Lastly, make sure that your VPN or any proxy is turned off as it might prevent Wrapped from loading if Spotify detects a different reason. So that's how you can quickly and easily find your Spotify Wrapped 2025. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.